Are you struggling to lose weight and keep it off? Look no further. Our Health and Wellness channel is here to provide you with the ultimate guide to losing weight through expert tips and success stories. Firstly, it's important to understand that weight loss is not just about dieting but rather making sustainable lifestyle changes. This includes incorporating regular exercise into your routine and choosing nutritious whole foods. One of the key tips from experts is to set realistic goals and track your progress. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your weight loss journey. Additionally, seeking support from a healthcare professional or a support group can provide you with the guidance and encouragement you need. Now let's hear from some individuals who have successfully lost weight and kept it off. Their stories are not only inspiring but also offer valuable insights and tips that can help you achieve your own weight loss goals. Remember, losing weight is a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a positive mindset. By following the expert tips and success stories shared on our channel, you can make lasting changes to your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on our Health and Wellness channel.